We are pleased to show you the 2014 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 5.3-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, rear step bumper, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, multifunction display, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, one-touch windows, 4 tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.